Okay, children, let us discuss about the rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. So, why we have to rounding the numbers? What is the reason for the rounding of numbers means? For example, if a function or if any occasion, some members attended there. Example, how many members attended? 3729 members attended to that function. So this number is a difficult number to pronounce or to say. So that's why how we can say directly how many members attended means approximately some members. How many members? 4000 members attended to the party. In that way we said. Otherwise, you went to the shop. You went to Kirana shop, and the bill you paid is 97 rupees. How much bill you paid? 97. You did not have exact 97 rupees change. Then how much you will pay? You will pay how much? 100 rupees faster. So these numbers, these thousands or hundreds or tens, that kind of numbers are rounding. Okay, rounding of numbers means in that way we have to round the given digits. Right? Means for example, if a number is given, that number we may round it to nearest to 10, or we may round it to nearest to 100, or we can round it to nearest thousands. So what are tens? What are tens means the 10 multiples. 10 multiples means the numbers which you will get in the 10 table. 10 ones are 10. Next 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. Next one 60. Next 70. Next 80. Next 90. These numbers are called nearest tens. Nearest what? Tens. Why? Because they are the multiples of 10 only. Okay. If a number is given, for example, 82 is given. 82. And I asked you to round that number to the nearest 10. Okay. Round up this number to nearest 10. So what is the nearest 10 to 82? What is nearest 10? These are tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 82, where it existed? 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So here 82 is between which numbers? 80 and 90. These are the tens near to which one? 82. Okay, 80 is there and 90. It is between 80 and 90. Which is closer? Either 80 or 90. Which one is closer here? 80, just one number away. If you leave one number, you are getting 80. And then 90 means you have to leave these many numbers. So which is the nearest 10 here? 80 is the nearest 10 to 82. Okay. Rounding of a number, for example, what 37 is given. A number 37 is given, and I asked you to round off it to the nearest 10. What is the nearest 10? Do it. First 37 exists between which tens? 30 and 40. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So it is existing between 30 and 40. So which is closer to 37? After 37, what numbers we get? 38, 39. Then we get 40. Here 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. These many numbers are there between 30 and 37. Only two numbers are there between 37 and 40. So which is near one? 30 or 40? So 40 is the nearest one. That's why round off to nearest 10 means 40 we have to write. Okay, example, I already said we went to the market and we got the bill how much? 97. Then what we will give? We will give 100 rupees to them. Why? Because the nearest one is what? 100. That's why we will pay 100 rupees and they will give us remaining 3 rupees. So in this way we have to round off the numbers to the nearest tens and next one what? Nearest hundreds. What are nearest hundreds? So 100. Next one what? 200. Next 300. Next 400. Next 500. Next 600. 700. 800. 900. These are hundreds. Similarly, next thousands. What are thousands? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. These are nearest thousands. So, rounding up means we have to choose the near one to that number. For example, 152 is given. 152. What is the nearest 10 for 152? What is the nearest 10? Not nearest 100. I asked you the nearest 10. So what is the nearest 10? So 10 is what? 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 90 I said. Next 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 like that. They are also what? Tens only. So nearest one 152 means it exists between 150 and 160. So 150, 152, 153, 154 like this we have to write. 152 is closer to which number? 150. It is not closer to 160. So that's why nearest 10 is what? 150 is the nearest 10. Okay. Now today we will discuss about what? Round off the numbers to the nearest tens. First bit in exercise 1.4. Round off the following numbers. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Round up the following numbers to the nearest tens. So first number. What is the first number given here? 32. What are the tens I said? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 like that. Now 32. What is the nearest 10 to 32? What is nearest 10? 32 means it lies between which numbers? 30 and 40. So if you write 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, then we will get 40. So 32 is here. Which is nearest to 10? Is it 30 or 40? 40 is coming after these many numbers, 40 we are getting. Just after one, before 1 we are getting 30. So which is closer? 30 is closer to 32. So that's why the nearest 10 is what? Nearest 10 is how much? 30. Okay, what is the nearest 10 to 32? 30 is the nearest 10. Similarly, second problem. What is second problem in this? 49. What is the nearest 10 to 49? 49 means it exists between 40 and 50. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So just after 49 what we are getting? 50. So which is nearest 10? 50 is the nearest 10 to 49. So nearest 10. What is the nearest 10? 50. Okay, like this you have to write. One problem E is there. What is that E? 287. What is the nearest 10 to 287? What is the nearest 10? First 287 is between which tens? I said 200, 300, those are hundreds, nearest hundreds. If we write it, these are tens. So they are in 200s. That's why 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290. These are nearest tens. In this, which number we have to take? 287. So 287 exists between what? 280 and 290. From 80 to 87, how many numbers? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. 6 numbers are there between these two. And between these two, 287 completed. Next, 288, 289, 290. Only 2 numbers are there between these. So which is nearest one? 290 is nearest to 1. That's why nearest to 10. What is the nearest to 10 here? 290. Okay, like this. We have to round up the numbers to the nearest tens or hundreds or thousands. That is the exercise. Which exercise? Exercise 1.4. So, just today we have discussed to round up the numbers to nearest tens only. First you have to identify the tens, then remaining numbers we will discuss in the next class.